Hello, my name is Avilash. I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis and I also bring videos like this. So today I'll be analyzing TC Energy. I'm not going into the fundamental analysis. I won't be judging the stock on the basis of the fundamentals like balance sheet statement or cash flow statement. I'll be just analyzing the stock on the basis of chart only. Okay. And this video is not for day traders who are looking to make money on day-to-day basis. This video is mainly for investment purpose only. Okay, mainly for those people who have already invested money in TC Energy or planning to take a fresh position in TC Energy. Okay, for day trading purpose, I bring videos from Monday to Friday only, and just before the market opens, I share my analysis. And this video is for investment purpose only. Okay. Oh my god, I have talked a lot. Probably I'm looking a bit different. I have just shampooed my hair. Yes, I do not have much hair. Still, I take care of it. Anyways, TC Energy. Candlestick chart in front of me, and we can see that the trend of the stock is not that good. Okay, it is clear to us that the stock is in kind of a downtrend. Hmm. Right now, trading at 56.39, and the highest point on this chart is 76.32. Okay, and most importantly, the stock is trading below the 200 period moving average. So good support available at 54, 50, oh, sorry, 52 level. But as I mentioned earlier, this video is for investment purpose only. So if you have this stock in your portfolio, then you need to wait. Okay, and if you have recently purchased this share, then I'll say that come out of it. Okay, this share will not make you much money and it will take a long time to build wealth out of it. Okay, because the trend is not that good. Secondly, if you are planning to start a fresh position in TC Energy, then I'll say that no, big no. Though support is available at 52 levels. Okay, see that this is a good support, but the stock is in downtrend. Yeah, the stock is in downtrend. Yes, you can, if you're a swing trader, then if you spot some reversal sign here, then you can go for swing trading also. Swing trade is something else. You can buy here after a week when it will reach, after a week or 10 days when it will reach 56 57 level, then you can sell the stock. But if you're planning to stay invested for 1 year, 5 year, 10 years, then this is not a stock at all. This is not a stock. Okay, let's switch to 1 week time frame and see. 1 week time frame is kind of good in comparison to the 1 day time frame. The weekly time frame is kinda uh, I would say relaxing. Relaxing is not the word. Satisfying, kind of satisfying in comparison to the daily time frame. It has a high of 76, but to reach this high, it will take a long time. It will take a long time because it will take time. Again, I'll say that if you want to take a fresh position here, this is not the stop. Okay, this is not the stop. And because see, in the year 2010, 8 November 2010, the stock was trading at around 35 to 40 levels. And after 10 years, it is uh, trading at only 56 levels. So this is not the stock for long term. I won't recommend it. And if you have this stock in your portfolio for many years, then if you don't need money, then yes, then you can keep the stock lying around in your portfolio. Otherwise, I am not seeing much in this stock, because after reaching the 76 level again it will face some resistance. Okay, and to reach the level of 76, I don't know when it will reach, because it requires again strength, and right now the stock is trading below 200 moving average and lacking power to reach the level of 76. So from my side, TC energy is a big no if we consider the chart. Okay, and if a big news comes up in recent times, then the picture will change. Otherwise, uh, no need to initiate any fresh position in TC energy. So that's it. If you've liked the video and found the video informative, please share your views in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. And because I bring daily market analysis, sorry, I do not make videos in a professional way. I'm I do not know video editing and all. I do not have any experience. Even you won't believe, I do not, after recording this video, I do not even replay the video. I just upload it. Uh, but I am just here to share my knowledge, and I'm just trying to help. That's it. If you found the video informative, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.